Reaching the Unreached, Mobile Medicare Unit, Greater Noida, an initiative by HelpAge India and Asian Paint. These traffic-free roads sometimes hear the footsteps of those who are waiting anxiously for someone who can lend a helping hand towards them, who can assure them for their betterment, who can touch their hearts with humanity, and who can support their lives with gentle care and emotions. HelpAge India's Mobile Medicare Unit is an effort which is bringing a ray of hope for these elderly in the far distant lands by making them feel that they are not lonely and isolated, but there is someone who really cares about their health and life. It is such a soul which is reaching out the unreached sufferings of elderly people who live in rural and remote areas of India where there are no basic medical amenities. It is such an ointment that heals pain, suffering and lives with warmth and care. Mobile Medicare Unit program of HelpAge India, which is popularly called as Health on Wheels, is provided medical care to the doorstep of lakhs of older people who do not have access to any medical facilities. This program supplements the government's primary healthcare network and is sometimes the only healthcare facility available to old persons for miles. This mobile medical care unit was launched on 4th February 2004 with the support of the Asian Paints.
Asian Paints has always believed in providing to the society whatever it has earned in its businesses. With this endeavour in mind, Asian Paints has tied up with HelpAge India to run mobile Medicare units around its plants in Patancheru, Sri Perimpatur and here in Kasna. Here in Kasna, the mobile Medicare unit started in the year 2004 with a view to help the elderly people living around the Kasna plant.
A mobile Medicare unit is a moving dispensary manned with qualified doctor, pharmacist and social worker, which is fully equipped with medicines and necessary medical equipment, which is free to older persons. The first HelpAge India Mobile Medicare unit was launched in Delhi in August 1982 by Mr. M.M. Hidayatullah, then Vice President of India. The program moved forward steadily with new mobile Medicare units adding to the fleet regularly. The program has witnessed a quantum jump. From 18 in 1999, their number has risen to 53 today, continuously moving in remote areas with a mission to uplift the medical amenities for older persons who cannot travel long distances for their treatment and care.
You see old people walking with sticks, walking with walkers, unable to reach a point. Very often they fall down and fracture their hips. This is what I call lack of mobility. And it is very important that medical assistance to be provided to them at their doorstep so that they don't have to go to hospitals which are far away and very few. And even those hospitals which are available, you can imagine the rush there, the crowd there, and how poor elderly people are pushed around.
Each van visits minimum 2 places in a day and 10 sites every week.
रामबती।
आप यहाँ किस लिए आई हैं?
हाँ, दवाई के लिए। आपको कैसे पता चला यहाँ का बारे में?
साल भर से आ रही है, मैंने पता चला गाड़ी आ रही
तो
है।
आप यहाँ साल भर से आ रहे हैं?
हाँ।
क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम था आपको?
मेरे पाँव में बीमारी है, रिएक्शन की, वहाँ की दवाई दी, और मेरे गैस बनाई, वहाँ की दवाई ली।
यानी इससे आप संतुष्ट हैं?
हाँ।
बीरबत्ती 3 साल हो गए जी। हम आँखन की भी लेते हैं, दर्द की भी लेते हैं, सभी चीज की बीमारी की जैसी भी कोई है सबकी देते हैं। आराम तुरंत बनता है, बहुत भीड़ लगती है। जब डॉक्टर के जाना पड़ता है, बहुत से ऐसे गरीब आदमी जो जा भी नहीं पा सकते हैं।
तो कितने दूर है यहाँ से डॉक्टर? गाँव में तो कोई डॉक्टर?
गाँव में डॉक्टर नहीं है जी, हमें बिलासपुर जाना पड़ता है।
पनवेश्वरी।
कब से ले रहे हैं दवाई अम्मा?
हमको कई साल है गए, दलीलगढ़ ला करे हम।
जो दवाई यहाँ से ले रहे हैं उससे कुछ फायदा है नहीं?
हाँ।
फायदा है?
हाँ।
अच्छा, इससे पहले जब दवाई यहाँ से नहीं लेते थे तो कहाँ से लेते थे?
हम लाए ही ना कभी, यहीं से। हाँ।
These mobile Medicare units have revived so many older people. Some of its beneficiaries, like 78 years old Parmeshwari Amma, who had never seen a doctor in her entire life. She used to be constantly sick, but today, after mobile Medicare unit reached to her village, she has now achieved zest and zeal for life. The mobile Medicare unit running in Ghaziabad, Greater Noida, is an example of collaboration between civil society and corporate for the cause of providing basic health care for the poor and needy elderly at their doorsteps. Asian Paints is a socially sensitive corporate that supports the mobile Medicare program in the villages of Greater Noida and Ghaziabad.
Various villages that were covered under this scheme were Mencha, Dada and other villages around this Kasna plant. Over the years, lot of patients who were aged above 60 years, who did not have any kind of other help, were benefited by this process, and HelpAge India as well as Asian Paints together drove the wheel forward by which these patients could get continuous treatment over the years rather than providing them first aid only. This has helped Asian Paints gain visibility in the area through the various healthcare programs that has been provided by HelpAge India.
मैंने दिल्ली दिखा लिए, बुलंदशहर दिखाए, खुर्जा भी दिखाए, मुझे कहीं आराम ना मिले। आपकी गाड़ी थी और थारी थैली लेकर गई।
अच्छा।
आप ही जब तक उन्हें आराम।
तो कितनी दूर चल के आते हो दवाई लेने?
5 कोस पर है लीलोनी मिर्जापुर का, ये पूछ लियो।
5 कोस?
हाँ जी। प्यारी गोली ने और दवाई ने खाते रहे हैं तो आराम है, और दवाई ना रहे तो फिर दिख रहे हैं।
मेरा नाम श्री चंद्र जी।
कहाँ के रहने वाले हैं आप?
गांव हतेवा। दवाई लेने को।
क्या चीज़ का दवा?
नजला, जुकाम, खांसी।
कितने दिन से आ रहे हैं आप?
1.5 साल हो गए।
यहाँ गाड़ी टाइम पे
आती है जी, बिल्कुल।
दवा मिल जाती है?
हाँ, दवा मिलती है आराम से।
Before mobile Medicare unit came into operation, the life of older people in these remote villages was miserable. They had to travel to faraway places even for a simple treatment. But after coming to the mobile Medicare units, their lives have completely changed. Now, the health of senior citizens has improved and they have developed a positive attitude towards life. The mobile Medicare units have built trust and hope in the hearts of the elderly.
मेरा नाम राम रतन है।
और किस गांव से हैं आप?
चचूला से।
अच्छा, ये जो गाड़ी आ रही है
हाँ जी।
एशियन पेंट्स के सहयोग से आपके गांव में कब से आ रही है?
बहुत 2 साल हो गए करीबन।
तो डॉक्टर है?
नहीं, कोई नहीं है।
कोई डॉक्टर नहीं है?
कोई नहीं।
तो ये सुविधा कैसी चल रही है?
बहुत बढ़िया।
बीमार होते हैं तो दूर जाना पड़ता है जी। ज़्यादा बीमार होते हैं तो दिल्ली तक भी रेफ़र करते, और थोड़े बीमार होते हैं तो दनकौर तक। दनकौर से नीचे कोई भी वो नहीं। और यहाँ बहुत ही फायदा इस गाड़ी के आने से, लोग बाग बहुत ही एहसानमंद रहते हैं यहाँ पे।
Besides providing health treatments, mobile Medicare units also organize specialized camps, bringing light in those eyes which had lost all hope to see the world without haziness. The mobile Medicare unit work goes much beyond providing basic health care. Mobile Medicare units also contribute in areas such as disaster mitigation, awareness camps, specialized camps, and community development. The Mobile Medicare unit also provides a platform for the elderly beneficiaries of the villages to share their joys and sorrows and are freed from isolation and neglect.
सुक्खन जी।
सुक्खन,
हाँ।
कहाँ से आए हो?
जनेकपुर जी।
एक तो ये कि आपने कभी लगाया नहीं है और
ना जी,
लगाती आदत पड़ेगी।
ना जी, मैंने ना लगाया, झूठ बोल दी तब था।
हाँ।
तुम्हारा भगवान भला करे जी, जो हमारी औरती खेलने के बने नो हमारे तो बड़ा अच्छा है। तुम्हारे ईश्वर भला करे।
चश्मे की जरूरत तो आपको बहुत दिन से थी, मगर आपने खरीदा क्यों नहीं?
हम पैसा नहीं जी, तुम तो झूठ बोल दे बेकार की। तो न्यू कैसे हम ले आते जी, जब यहाँ से तुमने कहीं फ्री में, तो हम यहाँ आ गए जी, आपके नाम लिखवा दिए जी।
HelpAge India was formed in 1978 with the help of Mr. Cecil Jackson Cole, founder member of the Help the Aged in UK. HelpAge India, through its various programs, makes a difference in lives of more than 1.5 million elderly persons every year. HelpAge India conducts approximately 40,000 free cataract operations every year and thereby prevents blindness and brings a ray of hope into the lives of poor, destitute elderly. 53 mobile Medicare units provide quality healthcare service, accessible at the doorstep of the elderly. 17,000 elder persons are provided food, medicines, clothing and care under the Sponsor a Grandparent program. Supports 194 old age homes, many hospitals and daycare centers. Relief and rehabilitation in the aftermath of disasters like Gujarat, Kashmir, earthquakes and tsunami. HelpAge India creates awareness on the issues of the aged through advocacy, media initiatives and events so that people from all walks of life play an active role fighting isolation, poverty, neglect. In remote areas where life is hard to live, Mobile Medicare unit is a boon for the elderly people and kindles a ray of hope in their lives. It is just the beginning of its story to save the elderly who live in poverty, isolation and neglect.